Ever felt your game lag right at the worst moment? Or watched your frame rates drop during epic battles? Yeah, I've been there too. Super frustrating. I used to think my old GPU was enough, but every new game pushed it to its limits. Loading screens took forever. Graphics stuttered. Editing videos? Don't even get me started. Then I found the XFX SWFT AMD Radeon RX 9060 XT. This card is a total game changer. It's got a powerful AMD RX 9060 XT chipset and a massive 16GB of GDDR6 memory. That means smooth, high-res gaming without compromise. The triple fan cooling, seriously impressive. No more overheating during marathon sessions. Boost clock speeds up to 3320 MHz. Games run buttery smooth, even at max settings. Let me show you how it looks in my setup. First, check out this triple fan design. It keeps everything cool and quiet. Now, let's launch a demanding game. Notice how fast it loads. No delays. Gameplay is ultra smooth. No frame drops. Graphics look crisp, colors pop, details shine. Even after hours, the card stays cool. Editing 4K video, it handles it with ease. Rendering times are way faster now. Streaming and multitasking? No sweat. The PCIe interface makes installation simple. Fits perfectly in my build, no hassle. The robust heatsink design is super efficient. No more worrying about thermal throttling. And it's not just for gaming. Content creators will love this performance boost. Designers, editors, animators, this card delivers. Professional workloads run smoother than ever. If you're a serious gamer, you'll notice the difference. Competitive play feels more responsive. Every frame counts, and this card delivers. VR experiences are seamless and immersive. No more motion sickness from laggy frames. The HDMI and dual DisplayPort outputs are handy. Connect multiple monitors for ultimate productivity. Or set up a killer streaming station. The card's design looks sleek in any build. RGB lighting, you can add your own flair. It's built for power users and enthusiasts. If you love building PCs, you'll appreciate the quality. Upgrading was simple, just plug and play. Drivers installed quickly, no headaches. Performance benchmarks blew me away. Higher scores in every test I ran. My friends noticed the upgrade right away. Now, I can finally enjoy max settings. No more turning down textures or effects. It's perfect for next-gen games and beyond. Future-proof your rig with this powerhouse. If you're into streaming, it's a must-have. Zero lag, crystal clear visuals for your viewers. And it runs whisper quiet, even under load. No distracting fan noise in the background. I spend hours gaming, and it never lets me down. Temps stay low, performance stays high. Honestly, it's the best upgrade I've made. If you're on the fence, just go for it. You'll feel the difference from day one. Whether you game, create, or both, this card rocks. So, ready to level up your PC? Check out the XFX SWFT AMD Radeon RX 9060 XT. Trust me, your games and your workflow will thank you. Upgrade today and experience next-level performance.